All right, so this is how I've been actually setting up the chips. So first, the closest well is going to contain our lead, and the furthest well is going to contain our ruthenium bipyridine. The camera is going to be adjusted. I've been using 1 centimeter off of the top. So once we adjust our camera and get it to 1 centimeter, we can adjust it using our computer and make sure that we're looking directly at the well. I'm not going to show that step. But so first, I add the dye mixture I've been using. These are the contents. And I add 50 microliters. Usually I would use a pipette to do this, but I'm feeling kind of lazy today. So we add that to the furthest well. Then we take our solution we want to analyze. In this case, I'll do the 100 parts per million solution. And add 50 microliters of this. Once that's all added, I turn on the power supply and the current measuring device. Adjust it till I get exactly 5 volts. And then I want to set this to direct current on the 100 milliamp side. I have this switch configured right here. As you can see, the left side is for the stripping step and the right side is for the plating step. So once that's all hooked up, I get my timer, set it for 5 minutes, and then flip the switch to plating. We should notice a jump in the current as well as some physical plating on the BPE. As you can see, it's kind of starting to get dark. Once that's done for 5 minutes, I'll turn it off, break the connection. Should see 0 milliamps there. And then what I'm going to do is use a waste pipette to replace the ruthenium dye solution. So suck all that up, put that into waste, and get some new solution to replace it. Then I'm going to cover the top of this, being careful not to knock over any solutions. Cover the top, hit the record button on my computer, and then we can switch it to the stripping step. So once I know I'm recording on my invisible computer over there, flip it. We should observe some current flow. That's good. And we do it until the ECL stops occurring. And then you break the switch and can clean up.